Hello guys, this is Kate. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing video of our wristwatch. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe and press on the bell button for getting instant notifications. Here we go. This is the box which I can open. I have bought the watch from a local watch shop. This watch belongs to Timex.helix brand, which is founded in 1854, Waterbury, Connecticut, United States. This is a very smart analog watch. The color of the watch is metallic black matte, which is very stunning and glossy with the leather black. This is the leather belt. Now I'm gonna showing the features. This denotes us about the day. This is Thursday. This shows us about the date. Today is 21 10 2019, and this is very interesting features I ever have. This denotes how many times I spent in the particular date. This across the line 20, so I spent more than 20 hours in the day. This is a very beautiful watch according to me, and the color of the watch is so much stunning. This is very suitable for every types of and every color of clothes you are wearing. So that was the watch. Now I am wearing the watch. Please see the watch. Stunning. Very smart. The price of the watch is 2899. So that was the video of unboxing video of a watch, and thank you for watching. Please take care. See you soon.